Alright guys, I promised you that I would make a GameStop video, and I hope you guys had a good weekend and you made some good trades last week. And I'm really happy for the members inside the Discord because our positions are up tremendously on GameStop. And I put a call out, I believe on Thursday or Wednesday, that we are getting into the dip buy area, and this was the dip buy area if it was a 1-2 1-2 setup and you had a 5 wave move up, ABC correction, beautiful corrective move, held the buy area. So now we're actually in another 1-2 setup, so we're actually should be pushing higher next week. Again, or I should say tomorrow morning at the open, we should see some more upside. GameStop held up very well with obviously all that market downside. QQQ down so much, IWM down so much, and SPY down so much. So GameStop options are printing for me. Hopefully they're printing for you guys too. And I expect more upside as well. Probably going to break this high here. If we can take out that high, that's going to confirm the run. And if we can continue to push higher and break $30, then we're most likely going to start, probably gapping up higher. And you're going to see the big short squeeze maybe happen. Lots of people FOMOing in. But yeah, it's good news for you guys that are long, right? If you guys are long, then congrats. This move is paying off, and whoever joined the Discord, a lot of people are joining the Discords about GameStop. And again, it's not the only thing that I trade, but it's a good start, right? It's a good start for you guys who are looking to maybe expand your horizons other than GameStop. But yeah, I'll continue to take a look at the GameStop here for market cipher. So I was checking the weekly time frame here. So the weekly time frame is definitely looking a bit rough here because we're still in red money flow. But something important to note is that we actually closed a very good candle on market cipher A and B. So on market cipher B, you could see we confirmed a green dot, potentially marking a low here. You have the momentum waves curling back up alongside with the VWAP, which is very important to note that we need both of these going up in the same direction. We are in red money flow, but again, shit, we've been in red money flow for like years now, so it's been correcting for a very long time. And then the daily time frame, it's trying to get out of this red money flow as well. We confirmed a nice little low here with a green dot a couple weeks ago, and now we're rallying higher. And I expect this to continue, where you can see red money flow recovering from the 4 hour. You're seeing people are, the bulls are trying to push this higher, and it could take off. It really could take off, and I really think it could continue to push higher again. Obviously, if it drops back lower and I'm at break even on my options, then probably just sit in them. Unless it dips back down, breaks this low at 21, then we're probably going to come back down for a bigger leg down here. Maybe even try and fade the lows at 19, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think we got a really good setup. We got a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup, and it should continue higher and essentially just go parabolic. But I don't know. What is GameStop doing on the German DAX here. Let me see. Or sorry, GameStop. Is it open for trading for them? Let's see. Yeah, well, it's up 1%. I think is it open? No, it's not. They open in 4 hours. Okay, I'm not staying up that late to look at the GameStop trading overnight. But yeah, that's good. And I want to take a look at wave edge as well. So daily time frame. No new signals on the daily time frame. Take a look at some larger ones, maybe the weekly. So no new signals on the weekly. The MACD is curling back up on the weekly, so that's good. In the 4 hour time frame, well, then we had a green cross kind of mark the low here, so that was good. And then the 1 hour, you saw some dip buying on this drop, and that held up. And then on top of that, we got a green cross when we were at my buy area on the 1 hour. So these shorter time frame dip buys really held up. So I think some people opened some longs here inside the Discord. You guys are up 9% from my buy area. And then we could take a look at some other ones, 30-minute, 24-minute. Not really seeing much more, in terms of buying. We saw some dip buying down here, but I think whoever has bought has already bought. And if you're in, we should kind of ride this wave up. AMC is doing something similar as well. It is starting to surge. and it's been consolidating for a very long time. So I think we're getting near this breakout mode. The market's probably going to get a bounce tomorrow. Again, we're extremely oversold now. We've dropped, I don't know how many percentage points in the last 10 days, or sorry, last seven days, 3 days, 4 days, yeah, six. This last week was a rough week for the market, so I expect pretty much a relief rally coming, and GME could really bask in the glow of the market relief rally as well if it wants to push higher, because it's already hard enough trying to go up when the market is selling off. Imagine if GameStop goes up and the market is getting a relief rally, then rising tide lifts all boats, and if your boat was already rising, you're gonna go up even more. So anyways, that's basically it. I still think the long term targets should be higher, back at 120. We're gonna go get our boys. Whoever has bought back here, you'll be relieved maybe to be back at break even once we get it back up to these levels. A lot of people say, it's dreams, dreams that the stock's gonna go back up higher. And to be honest, I was talking about the SPY getting a reversal and Nvidia getting a reversal, and it's like bear dreams. Good luck with your dreams. I mean, like, holy shit, 22% later, it's almost dream come true at this point. But that's why I closed my shorts on the semis. I take my profits, but the longer term target should be down here at 81 for Nvidia. So that's why I say GameStop can go much higher. It's been consolidating for a very long time. The move is starting to happen, and if you're gonna miss it, then too bad, so sad. I've been putting out analysis on GameStop for months now, and I'll probably do another one later on this week if we get a big move. All right, so hopefully this video helps. Have a wonderful day, guys. Peace.